Hey, what's up everyone? And in this video I wanted to show you guys how you can have free TikTok followers. So I wanted to show you this cool app that I installed in my device. So I'm going to be flipping my screen over and showing you what the app looks like, how it works, and also how you can install it and have it for yourself in your own device, be it Android or iOS, iPhone. You can have it either way. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm on my phone here and I just wanted to quickly show you what the app looks like and just how easy it works before we proceed to downloading it. So the name of the app is TikTik++, and it's this one that we see right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So this is my profile here and I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is for me to have more followers. All I have to do is click add. So I currently only have 2 followers, so I'm just gonna click on add and already have 500 and now even 2,000. I have 2,500 followers just like that, literally just a click of a button. So if you guys also want that for yourselves, let's go ahead and proceed with the tutorial. So first things first, if you are using an iOS device such as an iPhone, then First we need to go ahead and head to our settings. If you are using Android, you don't need to worry about this part. This is only for iOS users. So let's click here and we're gonna head to our settings. And the first thing that we want to check is we're gonna go to our battery. And in this area, we just want to make sure that we have low power mode turned off and that we have at least 10% battery in our phone in order to be able to download the app without any issues there. All right, so make sure that you have that off and that you have 10% battery at least. All right, so after that, we're gonna head back to our settings and click General. And in General, we're gonna head to where it says Background App Refresh and then Background App Refresh once again. So right here, we just wanna make sure that we have either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data turned on, so that you can actually load the page and download the app. All right, so make sure that you don't have it in off by any chance, but select one of these two. All right, so after that, we're just gonna head back to our settings, and then we're gonna head down to Safari. Past it, right here. We're gonna head to Safari, and in Safari, we're gonna go all the way down to Advanced. And in Advanced, we just want to make sure that we have JavaScript enabled. So make sure that little slider is green. So that way you are actually able to download the app. This is super important, guys. If you do not have JavaScript enabled, then you will not be able to download the app. It's not going to work for you. All right, so make sure you have that on. All right, guys, and that's basically it for our settings. Now we're just going to head to our web browser. So go ahead and open up your web browser, whichever you're using, whichever one you have in your device. I'm using Safari. And now once we're in our web browser, we're just gonna type in the name of the link where we can actually download the app. So it's called lucidtweak.com, just like so, lucidtweak.com. So once you type that in, just go ahead and click go or okay. And this is what the web page looks like. So once you have this little pop-up here, just click go and then click go once again, and then you have our little menu here. And then over here you have where it says search for apps. So we're gonna go ahead and click here, and this is where we type in the name of the app that we are looking for, which is TikTik++, this one right here. So once we find it, we're just gonna go ahead and click install, and it's gonna start downloading. So just give it a second until it finishes downloading here. It doesn't take very long, as you can see, it's going pretty fast. So just give it a couple seconds. All right, so once that finishes downloading, this is gonna show up. So once this pop-up shows up, just click allow and then click close. All right, guys, so we're gonna exit out of there and then we're gonna head back to our settings. So in our settings, if you don't have the notification here that says profile downloaded, just go ahead and click where it says more for your iPhone. And then you should have it right here, profile downloaded. So we're gonna go and view profile. And then it's gonna show up right here. So this is the app, TickTick++. And then we're gonna click install once this happens. We're gonna type in our passcode, if you have one. And then we're gonna click next right here. And then we're gonna click install. And then once you click install, you're gonna get this little notification here. Just click install once again. And then click done. And that's it, you have it right here. So now after that, as you can see, the app is now on your phone, ready to go, ready to work and function. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can get free TikTok followers. Just like that. All right, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial and I will see you next time.